Nice team. Nice team. Okay, that's good. Let's wait. Move your hand, team. Now let's get ready to make an angel.
Okay.
Some little mini ones. Wait, hold up, team. Okay, team. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, team. Okay, get my phone in there.
Yeah. Get out that money.
Wait, y'all, team. Wait, here. Watch it, Aaron.
Gabby, stop.
Here, you get it. Shut your mouth, girl. Here, back down.
Wait a minute, I'm gonna let you put the rest of them in now.
You got a package?
Okay, that's enough. Okay. Okay, don't turn your team.
Put your
Team.
Greedy. You greedy.
Wait.
I think it might be
Put your
enough.
coat in. Say.
Might be a little too much.
We will find out, y'all, in a little bit. Okay, team.
Okay.
Now put the rest of it in here. Dip it on. Put it in here. Christina's first cake.
$10.
Woo!
Is it 70 or 10?
$10.
Tell Grandpa you might as well get it to the piggy bank.
Scratch it up. You know how to do it. Where your coat at?
Okay. Good job, team. Good job. Okay. Even it out. Let Mama help you. You got to even it out. Tina, want me to call Mike?
I got it.
Let me see.
Oh, wait.